Happy New Year! Welcome back to Neelam Co, and this is Neelam. I hope you had great holiday season. Today I bring you my take on homemade veggie burrito cooked in a slightly different way. I hope you like it. For making veggie burritos, I am using multi-grain tortillas, shredded cheese, green onion, tomato, green chili and mashed beans. To learn how to cook pinto beans, please look at my video how to cook black beans at home. Make sure you add salt and pepper according to taste and you mash them properly. But if you want to know how to cook pinto beans, please let me know. I can put another video. Finally, I will add sour cream and salsa to my burrito on the side. If you want, you can use tapatio sauce to give it more spice. The first step is to warm the tortilla. To make sure that the tortilla does not stick to the skillet or the tawa or the hot plate, I will put a dab of oil and then wipe it out with the paper like this. Now it is ready for the tortilla. So the tawa is hot, so I am going to warm the tortilla on it. Little bit more. Tortilla is warm, so I am going to add little bit of beans, maybe a little more, and then cheese, onions, green chili, tomatoes. I use lot of tomatoes, but if you want, you can use tomatoes according to your taste. Maybe a little more. So now I'm going to fold it. So now I'm going to fold the burrito and put it on the tawa, which is already hot. The burrito is, I think, cooked on the other side, so now I'm going to flip it. And wait until the other side is cooked too. Check it from the other side that's brown and then remove it from the tawa or the skillet, whichever you are using. Once again, I will let the burrito stay on the tawa or the skillet until both sides are brown. And then remove it from the tawa and it's ready to be served. The burritos are cooked and ready to serve now. To serve, we cut the burrito into half. Then I add sour cream and salsa, and you pick it up, dab it little bit in both, and then you eat. To give burrito a crunchy taste, you may add little bit of celery too. Now it's ready to eat. You can also serve the burrito in this way, little bit of sour cream and then salsa on the top and little bit of celery on the top, and eat it with a fork. So this was my recipe for healthy homemade veggie burrito. I hope you like it. See you next time with my another video. Till then, bye bye.